Diesel track car. Big turbo. Oh my god! You're an absolute clown. What the f? I would have told him to ram you. This is why we hate action days. You're not phased at all. Stay hydrated, kids. Just go down there.
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Castle Combe Forge Action Day.
Yes, now we have got a full video going out for Forge Action Day with the walk-arounds, but I've got an awesome opportunity to jump in Matt's Ibiza diesel track car out on track.
That was a mouthful.
I know. I've always been curious. Ever since meeting him, he said a diesel track car. I've always wondered what it's going to perform like on track. Today we're going to find out. We'll have a quick walk around the car, but like I said, we have done a full feature, so if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. But a quick overview. It's this highlighter, green, yellow, whatever he wants to call it. That's green, that's not. But this thing is mental. He's done 330D big turbo injectors. It's got all your usual sort of PD bits. Dynodes, 250 odd brake, and a shed load of torque. I can't remember how much torque he said, but it is in the full video. Yeah, a lot basically. My favourite mod is the bonnet scoop there. As you can see, completely functional.
Is it weird that I just want to put some water down there and just go down there?
Please do it.
I know, I guess exactly. You'll have to do it.
He is absolutely stripped. I mean, we've got the polycarbonate windows. It's quite subtle from the outside, besides the colour. But on the inside, it is track car. I mean, he's stripped absolutely everything. It's actually done really nice. The fit and finish is done really well. But like I said, it won't bore you with all the info because it is in the full video. But yeah, let's get out on track, shall we? Alright guys, we're heading out. Like I said, I won't do much talking because I don't want to distract Matt, and we have got a few people on track. But let's go!
So out in the distance you'll see Dean in his bright green ST180 powered Mark IV Fiesta and Matt's brother Tom in the orange Frankensaab in front.
It doesn't feel like you're going that fast. Touch the turn then.
As with most sessions at Castle Combe for the action days, the first lap was a pretty uneventful warm-up lap until we had some clear track to really open it up.
Stay hydrated, kids! Oh, the torque! Oh my god! This is such a good package, oh my god. Better when you haven't got a Saab block in your way, but... got him in the corners as well, fair play.
To say I was very impressed with how well Matt's diesel Ibiza was doing against the Frankensaab, because believe me, that thing is no slouch. And as you can see, the session as a whole was going very well until
Well, in case you didn't see that, guys, Tom was in front of it. It looked like a wheel come off. There were sparks everywhere.
Tom, I had you, mate.
This is Tom's brother, by the way. We'll catch up with Tom either way. I really hope everything's alright, because that was a good session.
It's a good job you got a trailer.
Oh yeah, this is why you should always have a trailer. So obviously, as you guys just saw, Tom did come off track. We haven't had a chance to catch up with him yet. Now, fortunately, if you're not too far into a session and you get a red flag, Castle Combe do allow you to go back on. Unfortunately, that's what's happened here. So we are going to get another run, another few laps in. Then we'll well, as long as Tom doesn't hold the track up for too long. But we will catch up with him now when we're done.
Now I thought this session was going to be a nice clean drive. Man, was I wrong. First of all, you may recognise that BMW in front of us. Yes, it is that one. Also, stay tuned to see us nearly get rammed off track by another idiot who apparently can't seem to follow rules either.
Take care, buddy.
He just can't follow simple rules, look.
What the hell?
What the f***? This is why we hate action days.
Oh, an idiot.
You
Did he even go to the briefing?
yeah. I was just about to do an outro, but very quickly. Oh. We live in S2000. So that is how a diesel performs on track, and I gotta say I am absolutely blown away. As I said when I just come off track, I knew it was quick in a straight line because from the video we had a good drive of it, but what really impressed me was how it handled through the corners and everything like that. It's just such a good package, and like I said, I think the main thing, Matt bought this completely standard, so he's been through the stages, he's tweaked it here and there, and from what I can remember, he's basically done as much of this as he can himself. So I've got to say a massive hats off, and I always love it, always love the opportunity to jump in a car on track. Very quickly I want to say, we're at Forge Action Day. Now Kenny's always been hesitant to do action days because people drive like absolute idiots, and I hope the guy who's driving that Peugeot 306 is watching, because you're an absolute idiot. And if we were in such a nice car, I would have told him to ram you. That is how much you, and honestly, wait till you see the footage, you're an absolute clown. But apart from that, but it's people like that that put people like us off driving it. But anyway, I'll stop ranting now. If you're going to do an action day, follow the rules. They're not difficult. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I'll do it. Boom.